Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your account and files. Sign into your Shutterstock contributor dashboard, then confirm your payment details so earnings can flow. Next, check each image, high-resolution JPEG, accurate color profile, and correct orientation. This reduces rejections. Once done, name files descriptively and compile titles, captions, and keyword lists. This speeds uploads. Make sure model or property releases are ready for recognizable people or private locations, because Shutterstock enforces releases to protect licensing. Now you upload and add metadata. Use the contributor uploader, drag and drop for bulk or single file mode for precise control, so you can monitor progress. As files appear, enter a clear title, choose the most relevant category, and add 5 to 50 keywords. Order them by relevance to improve discoverability. Attach any model or property releases to matching images and select license options if prompted. Don't rush this step, because accurate metadata directly affects sales. Finish by reviewing and submitting. Preview each image and its metadata, correct orientation, remove noise, and refine keywords before you hit submit. Once submitted, Shutterstock reviews images. Approval can take hours or days depending on volume. If an image is rejected, read the reviewer reason carefully, because it tells you whether to retouch, remove people, or adjust metadata, then fix the issue and resubmit. For persistent problems, contact contributor support with the image ID and rejection notes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.